Happy Sunday, everybody. So I am in my daughter's Lauren's room. Laryn. Yes. Y'all got that spelling from A Baby Named Book. We already knew that we wanted to name her Lauren, and that was one of the spellings in the Baby Name Book, and we went with it, y'all. Even though a lot of people get her name wrong, they say Laren, but it is Lauren. But anyway, you guys, I am here to clean up her room, and if you hear noise in the background, y'all, that is the dryer and the washer going. And she wanted to go with like a teal, black, white, and a hint of silver right there. And so this is how her room looks. And y'all, please excuse that light. I just needed more light in here. And so I'm about to organize her room. She is not here. She is actually with her dad. And so I was like, let me get in here and clean up this room, y'all. And if her bed looks lopsided, I can't. When I moved, I cannot find that little post right there. Like, I don't know where it is. I don't know if it's in my back room, still back there. But we have books up under there. But y'all, if I can find one of those somewhere like on Amazon, please let me know, because I don't like her bed lopsided like that. But anyway, I'm about to go ahead and organize her room. It's not bad. It just needs to be, I guess, decluttered and cleaned up. And I think I might get in her closet too, y'all. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that, y'all. So I'm going to surprise her by cleaning up her room. And y'all, yes, I got my morning cup of Joe. So anyway, you guys, happy cleaning, and I hope y'all get motivated by cleaning. And so y'all, let's get started. First, I'm going to start off in that corner. And y'all, I am notorious for not folding up clothes when I'm supposed to. So those are clean clothes. Yeah, I'm bad. I'm not going to lie to you. I am bad with that. So I'm just taking those clothes out because I'm going to fold them up later. And we're trying to get everything out of that corner so we can organize and get things situated. Okay, now I'm going to put those pillows back in that laundry basket, and we're going to go ahead and make up her bed. Her sheets are already clean. It's just that she left her bed this way when she went to go to her dad's house. And you probably can't see it, but I actually pulled the comforter all the way over the mattress and the box spring, because I do not like when the box spring shows. I'm actually thinking about getting a fitted sheet and put it over the box spring so it can look more aesthetically better, I guess you can say. And y'all, I'm not good at putting pillows up, but we did what we can do. And my sister gave me that blanket right there for, it was a gift, I can't remember what, and she gave Lauren this pillow. It says good night and good morning. I thought it was really cute. And now I'm taking Method antibacterial and the all-purpose spray to clean up Lauren's dressers and things like that. And as you can see right now, I'm just going ahead and organizing some things. And my sister actually gave her this little glow lamp, lava lamp, or whatever you call those. And I thought that was really cute. I turned it on, just so y'all can see how pretty it is. And I'm just cleaning up her dresser and getting things organized. And I kind of left a lot of her stuff in the bins because I did not want to get rid of them, because it may be something in there that she actually wanted. And so I left it that way. And I'm just cleaning off that dresser. And I actually painted this dresser. This dresser is really old. She's had this dresser and the whole set for actually a very long time. I think since she was in kindergarten. And I did actually paint this recently. I think back in December I painted it, but it got some pen stains on it, and just, it's time for an upgrade, you guys. It's really time for an upgrade. She needs a bigger bed as well, and shortly I will be getting her a full-size bed. But we're spraying the antibacterial spray on her dressers as well, and we're getting that organized. And now I'm getting the other little dresser right there. She just have her perfumes, her body sprays, her lotions, and hair bows and things like that on that dresser. And y'all, yeah, she loves to smell good, y'all. My girl, she loves to smell good. She loves to look good and cute and everything like that. So yeah, I'm just going ahead and spraying down and cleaning off all of the dressers, even the drawers and things like that, because I did notice that there was some dirt spots on there. So I want to go ahead and clean that out and get that situated. And so I'm cleaning off the lamp because the lamp was dirty as well. And I eventually took that fan out of the room. We actually had to get another fan because she has a ceiling fan, but the ceiling fan is not working. So they had to order another one. And so I eventually moved that out the way. So we're going to dump her trash can and refill the bag and put that back in the corner. And I am cleaning off her rug. It was a little dirty, and y'all know I gotta stop for a coffee break. Yes, who doesn't like coffee? Well, there are some people who don't but I love it. So we're taking those cords, I think there were computer cords, something, and that right there I'm going to put up on her wall. It's just some accessories, but she wanted it painted silver, metallic silver, like her letters on her wall. So I will put it on that wall right there, right above her TV, and put like little whatnots on it. So I think that'll be cute. And now I am just cleaning off her dresser right there and getting it sanitized and things of that nature. Okay, time to pull out this vacuum. Y'all, this little vacuum is the bomb. It's a Eureka, and it has been doing me great justice since I got it. Y'all, I got this actually from my mother when she passed away, and my sister, she bought it from my mother, and I don't think it was that expensive. I said that in the last video. I think I said that in the last video that I got it from my mother and it wasn't expensive. I didn't personally buy it. My sister bought it from my mother, but I got it whenever she passed away 2 years ago. Well, it's about to be 2 years ago. And y'all, I noticed that when I was doing this video, editing this video, I saw something up under there, but eventually it came from up under there whenever I was using the Swiffer Sweeper. It just popped from up under there because I did not notice. So yeah, but vacuuming the whole floor, I like to go over the floor more than once, and so that's what I'm doing. And just gotta get everywhere, and that little vacuum can go way under the bed, the dressers, and everything. That's why I really like it. And so I'm glad that I picked that up from my mother's house. And so just tidying things up, y'all know the drill. I hope y'all are getting motivated by watching me clean up. And I've been trying to make my child clean up her room as often as possible. I do make my child clean up. I do want my child to be independent, because I make it known to her that I may not be here and that I may not be around at all times, because if she goes to college, she needs to learn how to clean up. And I vacuum the rug as well. Now I'm about to take this Swiffer Sweeper and sweep up and mop up the floor. This is a wet Swiffer Sweeper, and just finishing the room and everything like that, and getting up under that bed. Yes, getting everywhere, making this room clean, y'all. Yes, she's gonna be really shocked when she gets home to see that I cleaned up her room, and we're gonna make sure that she keeps it tidy at all times. She's actually been doing a pretty good job, but she did leave her room untidy before. Okay, you guys, so I am finished cleaning Lauren's room, and this is how it looks right here. I got all of the clothes from over there that need to be folded up. Y'all, I'm so bad with not folding up clothes. Like, I seriously am. And so in that clothes basket is just blankets and pillows. And this is her bed right here. She wanted that particular comforter set. She loved it, so I got it for her. And so this is how it looks. And eventually, I'm going to get her a bigger bed. I'm going to get her a full-size bed. She is about to be 13 in October, so I do need to upgrade her furniture. She's actually had this furniture since she was in maybe kindergarten, y'all. So it is time for an upgrade, and I will get that eventually once I can afford to get her something. But as far as the furniture goes, it has held up pretty good. I actually painted it white. Well, I didn't actually paint it white. My mother's husband painted it white. I actually did paint this chair though. But this is how her room look, you guys. And I tried to get that stain out, but it wouldn't come out. Like I said, she's had this furniture for so long. And I did keep some of her stuff like in those baskets over there. I kept it as is because if I have anything to do with it, I'll throw a lot of that stuff away. But I know she will not like me throwing it away. So I just didn't touch it. And so I just left it as is. And I think I want to get rid of that green one and get like a blue one so it can actually go with the whole entire room. And I did say I was going to actually clean out her closet, but I did not clean out her closet because I want both of us to clean out her closet together, because like I said, if it's left up to me, I will throw a lot of that stuff away, and she may not want me to throw some of the stuff away, or she'll feel some type of way if I throw it away and she wasn't here. So yeah. And y'all, I love these curtains. Right here goes really good with her damask comforter. And I got these from Walmart, y'all. And I got the rod from Target. I thought that was really cute. I'm going to open up this window. So yes, so this is her room, you guys. I hope y'all get motivated and ready to clean up your kids' rooms. Yay, I'm so glad. She's gonna be really shocked when she gets back and see that her room is cleaned up, y'all. So if y'all are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. And yes, y'all, I know that there is no thing on top of that. We know. There's no shade on top of that. But anyway, let me know your thoughts down below. Alrighty. Bye.